Hi kids. Kids, we will trace A, B, C, D, A to Z. Let's learn colors name. Yellow, red, black, light green, blue, sky blue, orange, green, purple, and pink color. Yellow color, A, B. Kids, this is letter C. Now we are tracing letter D. This is letter E. This is letter F. G. Kids, this is letter H. I. J. K. L. This is letter M. N. Red color, O. Blue color, P. This is letter Q. R. S. Kids, this is letter T. U. V. W. X. Kids, this is letter Y. Y. Z. Read again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z,